5:15, let's talk about this weather impact alert. It was a foggy drive for me this morning.
Yes, and then now you're adding rain to the mix. I would just give yourself extra time this morning, you know? I mean, hopefully you have new windshield wiper blades because you're going to need them the next several days.
It's time to replace mine.
Mine too. I'm right there with you. You know when it starts to get streaky, that's a problem. So, yes, go ahead and take care of that today if you can. There will be a brief lull this afternoon, so you do have time to do it. But for this morning, as you're heading to work, we have that 10 weather impact alert out there. It is going to be for scattered showers and for fog. So, all right, let's talk about this rain. Where's it at right now? You can see mainly the heavier downpours are going to be down to the south as you get into places like Chillicothe and down toward Piketon and Athens. Some heavier showers right now along 71 as you get 75 as well as you get out of Dayton. But the fog also a story. The visibility just went up a little bit more in Columbus, which is good news. But you're going to see there's patchy spots out there that we are down to under a mile. And if you're in one of those areas, just to, use those low beams, give yourself a little bit of extra space with the cars in front of you because visibility can drop pretty quickly. Now, we have that 10 weather impact alert for the first half of today. We quiet down later today, but then tomorrow we do have some more chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast that will be impacting your day. So here's what you need to know for this morning. You'll see as we go into about 6, 7 o'clock, a lot of this will start to move out of here. This is a brand new model data that just came in. And then we do have a lull in the rain as we go into this afternoon for the most part. Could see some patchy showers as you'll notice in our southern counties. But then the next round rain comes as we go into the second half of today and toward tonight. There could even be some thunderstorms embedded within here, which could bring some gusty winds and even more heavy downpours possible. And then as we move forward and we go overnight tonight, you'll see we are going to have, just like last night, some scattered showers on and off. But here's the problem then for your commute tomorrow morning. We are going to be looking at more heavy downpours right smack dab in the middle of it. You can see here some of these more intense colors showing up. This is the heavier downpours. And also, I wouldn't be surprised if we have a couple of thunderstorms out there that try to get going. This does continue, you can see, through the 8 o'clock hour. So when the kids are getting to school, maybe this is your chance to try to get that morning run in. Tomorrow morning, I'd wait a little bit until we get into the second half of the day because you can see we do still have some of those lingering showers and then more chances as we go on and off into the afternoon. So more scattered and more hit or miss for us at Thursday afternoon, but definitely for the morning commute, it's going to be another morning like this morning where you're going to want to plan ahead. But if you wake up a little bit early, you give yourself a little bit of extra time, you're going to be fine. You'll get through it. You just might have some slower commutes for us. And between now and Friday, we could pick up another inch of rain and maybe in some spots 1 to 2 inches. So let's look at the 7-day forecast in full. So the next couple of days, we do have those 10 weather impact alerts in place. And there's chances of thunderstorms as we go, yes, still into Friday and Saturday. But I really want to focus on these temperatures, guys, because look at this. As we go into the weekend, we go up into the 70s. Sunday will be a little bit cooler, but when I say cooler, not by much. This next front that comes through is not going to be one that brings cold air, that's for sure. Because then as we go into the beginning of next week, we're building. And by Tuesday's pretty far out, but I think with that warm weather, we're going to have to watch out for some storms, maybe the threat of severe weather. It's very, very, very early to tell. But when you see a jump like that in the temperature, it's definitely something I'll be circling on the calendar, that's for sure.